Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class of SST. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture, which belongs to lesson 10 under unit 2nd in SST, and this chapter has been taken from class 4. My topic is today human resources. In this chapter, we have to study about the 3 points, and these 3 points are human resource, reason for India being underdeveloped, and steps taken by the government. So now come to the chapter. Now first of all, we try to follow what is human resource or what are human resources. As we know, our country, India, is blessed with natural resources. The natural resources in themselves are of no use if not utilized wisely and efficiently. To utilize these resources effectively, we need people who are educated, rational, intelligent, and skilled. These type of people are called the sources. The people of a country are always called its human resources. They are a country's most valuable resource. When the humans of that country are educated, rational, intelligent, and skilled. Now we come to know about our country, that what are the reasons for India being underdeveloped country? Our country India is not a developed country, imperfect, but it is a underdeveloped country. Sorry, it is an underdeveloped country. Why our country is called an underdevelopment country? Now come to know. India has the second largest population in the world. Do you know which country is the first country in largest population? Yes, China. After China, our country India comes at the second position. It means our country India has the second largest population in the world. A large number of people in India live below the poverty line, that are called BPL. BPL, it means the full form of BPL means below the poverty line. So a large number of people in our country live below the poverty line. This means most of the people in the country earn less than 100 rupee per day. It means those people or family member who earn average 100 rupees per day, that are always counted under the poverty line. It means below the poverty line. So like this, our country India has those type of people who are poor and come below the poverty line. These people earn less than 100 rupee per day. They do not get enough to eat. The main reason for poverty in India is its ever increasing population. It means the population is increasing always in our country, so it is the important reason for our poverty in our country. Now we come to know about Indian population. When we study about the population of our country, we find India's population is unevenly distributed. Plains and deltas are densely populated, while desert and Deserts and hilly areas are sparsely populated. In India, most of the people who live in villages, it means they are called Indian poor people or Indian farmers. So in our country, most of the people live in villages, not in town. So agriculture is the main occupation. Why is agriculture called the main occupation of our country? Because most of the people in India live in village and they belong to agricultural work. So it is the main occupation of our Indian population. 3 out of 4 Indians, when we count our country's people, 3 out of 4 Indians live in villages. For the past many years, the village population has been moving to cities. Do you know why? Because of in search of work. It means when we study our past time, we go in many years after the village population has been moving to cities in search of work. This is known as migration. Migration, it means this is the movement of a large number of people from one place to another. It means movement of a large number of people from one place to another place. This situation is called migration. It means migration. So they face many problems. When they went to other places, it means in cities from village, they face many problems, such as the problem of finding shelter and jobs in cities. Now we come to know about an important fact, that is about China. China is the most populated country in the world. It means it is called the first most populated country in the world, and after China, our country comes in addition to its population. Now we come to know about next topic, and this next topic is India's ever increasing population. India's ever increasing population has led to many problems. Which type of problems has been led by increasing population? Let us come to a study. Shortage of food and water. It is the first problem due to our population. Due to our increasing population, we have shortage of food and water. And the second problem is shortage of schools and colleges in our country, India. Due to the increasement of population, the third problem is a large number of uneducated population. It means our country has a large number of uneducated population. Fourth problem is increase in unemployment. Due to increased population, the unemployment people has growth in our country. Like this, fifth problem is increasing of poverty. That is only due to our population, increased population. So now in other video I will discuss you about next point. Thank you. Have a nice day.